Welcome to a Map Business Online video presentation. I just want to do a quick video here of a basic map. This is how you might start your map work when your map comes up. I've turned on the county layer and the state layer, and in the base map I have got, just so you can see it, the National Geographic base map chosen. So if you click the edit gear there under general, I've chosen National Geographic as opposed to streets because I'm trying to show you transparency controls on the map layers. So we'll turn on the county map layer, and we want to be able to see through the county. So it's all about trying to figure out what transparency settings I can apply in Map Business Online. And those controls are handled here in Map and Data. Map and Data, when it's closed, is that little arrow right there over by Hawaii, towards Hawaii. Click it. Map and Data is back. Map and Data controls all sorts of look and feel things around the map. It's got a whole bunch of controls in here, and there's some setup under map options, and you can go in and control things. So I'm going to go hover over my county layer because that's the map layer I'm trying to see through. I'm going to click the edit gear, and I'm going to move this transparency scroll bar to the right. If I go all the way to the right, bada bing, bada bang, I can see my background National Geographic map layer. And if I move it a little bit to the left, you'll see little by little, it gets a little more or a little less transparent, a little more opaque until you get to a point maybe down by 20% where you can't really see much of the map. So you do have controls over transparency right there. 60%, 80%, depending upon what your needs are, you'll be able to adjust the transparency. And if you zoom in, you can see a little bit more detail. You can see some of the contours and stuff. The state layer works in the exact same way as does the zip code layer. You just hover over that layer, click that edit gear, and move the transparency scroll bar to the right. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and make your maps transparent today.